Hello, welcome back to our channel. It's your learning with Divya. In today's video, let us understand division of fractions. First, let us understand division of a whole number by a fraction. Here, to divide 15 by 3, we need to find how many 3's are there in 15. So, 15 divided by 3 will be 5. As there are 5 threes in 15. Right? So how many threes will be there in 15? Yes, 5. That means 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Right? Similarly, we divide a whole number by a fraction. See here. To divide 4 by 1 by 2, we need to find how many halves are there in 4. So when one whole is divided into two parts, each part becomes half. Halves is nothing but half. So here one whole, yes, 2, 3, 4, which is divided into, one whole is divided into two half, right? So here in one whole, if we make two half, in 4 there will be 8 halves, right? So 4 divided by half becomes 8. So 4 whole divided by half is 8. So 4 whole into half is also 8 in 4 whole. Right? So 4 divided by half becomes 8 halves. Here we can also say 4 whole divided by half will be 8 halves. The same way 4 whole into 2 will be 8 halves. Similarly, we can also say that as there are 2 halves in one whole, there are 4 into 2, which is equal to 8 halves in 4 wholes. Right? Thus we can say 4 divided by half is same as 4 into 2. So, one whole divided into two parts becomes half. Right? Each part will be half. So, when one whole is divided into two parts, 4 whole is divided as 8 parts, right? So, to divide a whole number by a fraction, first we need to change the sign of division to multiplication. These are the steps to follow to divide whole number by a fraction. First step, change the sign of division to multiplication. Second step, multiply the given whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. Now what is reciprocal? Yes, multiplicative inverse. How to find reciprocal of a given fraction? We have already learned in our previous video. If you have not watched it, do watch and understand. I will leave the link in the description box. Next example, divide 16 by 1 by 4. Here you need to understand how many 1 by 4s are there in 16 is the question. So here, what do we need to do in the first step? We need to change the sign of division to multiplication, right? So change the sign of division to multiplication, that is 16 into 4. 16 into 4 is 64. Look at another example. Divide 20 by 4 by 5. First step, change the division sign to multiplication sign and multiply the given whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. So reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So here we will first change the division sign to multiplication sign and then we will write the reciprocal of the fraction. Here what is the reciprocal of 4 by 5? 5 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 5. So first step we have changed the sign and second step we have written the reciprocal of the fraction. Here 4 and 20 both are divisible by one number, that is 4. 4 one time is 4. 4 5 times is 20. Correct? So we can simplify in this step itself. 4 one time is 4 and 4 5 times is 20. Now we are left with 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5? Yes, 5 into 5 is 25. So students, hope you have understood how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Thanks for watching and keep supporting